Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today's video is all about these boxes right here from CASETiFY. So they were kind enough to reach out to me to see if I'd be interested in reviewing some of their new cases for my MacBook Pro right here. And so of course, naturally I said yes. One of these boxes also has a screen protector that you can apply as well, and we'll go through all of that process in this video. So if you're interested in buying any of these cases or want to go to their website and check out all of their other awesome designs and customization that you can do with not only MacBook Pros, but with iPhones, Samsung, you name it, pretty much anything, go to my custom URL. It's casetify.com/Roy Flores, and you'll automatically get 15% off at checkout for your whole entire purchase. So let's go ahead and check out what we have here. So first box here, I'm just gonna kind of slide it up. All right. So what's really cool about this is that it does come in kind of this cool little carrying case, you know? So got it here, and this one is the Impact series. That is the clear back. So as you can see here, it's a frosted back with some black bumpers, which is the main one that I requested just due to the fact that I prefer a clean look, especially since I have my space gray MacBook Pro here. And so I thought it would look really, really good. And what's cool about this particular one too, as you can see here, is it's got these cutouts here for ventilation, so that way we can have the MacBook Pro not overheating on us. And then of course we have some rubber feet right here as well that will help with the skidding of the MacBook Pro. And then here we go, we have this here. This is a magnetic privacy screen protector here. So this right here, guys, is something that I saw on their website and I was really excited to check out, because when you're installing tempered glass or more of like a film screen protector, it can tend to be a little annoying. So being able to have something that's magnetic, that's pretty cool. So there is that. So let's get this box out here. All right, so same scenario here, except this one is the work hard. So basically the same as the other one, except this one just says work hard, which is really cool. And then let's get this out here. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Okay, so this is a camo version that I actually picked out. So it's basically all the same. They're Impact series, but you have this camo styling here that you can see that looks pretty dang good in my opinion. And then of course, clear bottom. Would have been kind of cool if it was a camo bottom, like camo front and back, but is what it is. And then last but not least, let's get this one out. All right, so this is the last one, and it's a clear one as well, but it says this on it. It says, for what it's worth, it's never too late, or in my case, too early to be whoever you blah, 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 blah. So it's an F. Scott Fitzgerald quote. So that's pretty cool. So let's push these to the side. Let's go ahead and get my MacBook Pro here. So I have a 14-inch M1 Max right here. So this has been my workhorse for the last, like, I don't know, like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, something like that. So let's go ahead and slap one of these on. So for fun, let's do the camo one first. It's unique, it's different looking, so should be pretty fun. And let's see what we got cooking here. So as far as the installation goes, I am gonna wing it here. I should probably look at like instructions, but who does that, right? So there we go. Pretty easy. So basically what you wanted to do is start from the front end and kind of just push it in. So I'm curious if that's going to be kind of the same with this one. So probably very, very similar if I had to guess. Oh, that's easy. Literally just put it on and squish it down. All right, and there we go. So as far as the installation goes, it was pretty simple. Just literally just snap it on. It stays on. It looks like it's on there pretty good. So no issues or complaints with that. And that's the look of it right there. So looks pretty good. I'm trying, hopefully it stays in focus on here and not my face. As far as the weight goes, it does add a little bit of weight to it. The MacBook Pro is not the lightest laptop out there, or MacBook out there, I should say, but it works. I really like the Impact Series corners here. So it's very, very rugged, is in that sense. So very much a 360 all around protection of your MacBook. On the side here, we do have some openings here for the MagSafe charger, and then USB-C Thunderbolt port, and then our headphone jack there. It does say this case is made from recycled phone cases, which is kind of cool. And then there's the front. You can see that little opening where we can get our hand in there to open it up. And then here on this side, we do have some openings as well for the HDMI, another Thunderbolt port, and then our SD card reader. And then on the back here, that's kind of the opening there. So you have that opening for vents, so that way the MacBook can breathe. And then here on the bottom, you can see the installation of the openings here, as well as far as the little dots, the little feet here. And then there's little openings here for ventilation, and I'm assuming for the speakers as well. And then just to kind of put it on the desk here, yeah, those feet are pretty good. They don't really move around a lot. And then let's see, let's open it up again. Let's close it, open it up. Okay, so looks pretty good. And I can notice here on the MacBook that there is these little clips almost that go over where it snaps in, so that way the bottom isn't going to fall off. And just like their phone cases, it does have the Eco Shock. So when it has this Eco Shock here, as you can see here, it has these reinforced bumpers, and basically what that's helping to do is dissipate the energy away from the MacBook if you dropped it. I'm definitely not going to go outside and chunk it up in the air. It's too expensive. I'm not going to try, but I will say on their website, they show different drop tests, and it definitely holds up very nicely. So it's better than nothing for sure. So if you are someone that takes your MacBook on the go a lot, then this would be a nice accessory. So now let's go ahead and see how easy it is to take off. I'm assuming it's pretty easy. Let's just see. Yeah, oh yeah, so that's it. Just popped off right there. Let's see the bottom. Kind of the same thing, it looks like. Oh yeah. Probably could have done that a lot smarter way, but I didn't, so I'm an idiot. So let's put that to the side. Let's do the work hard one real quick. And let's see how fast I can just pop this bad boy on. So boom, 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 boom. Easy peasy. And then as far as the bottom goes, boom, boom, boom. Snap, snap, snap. And there it is. So there's the work card. And didn't take very long. Once you get the muscle memory down to figure out how to pop it on really quickly, then it's super, super easy. So that's the work card. Looks good. Matte black sides. Really, really digging that one. And then once again, to just take it off, you just peel the almost kind of the impact corners there and pop it off. I mean, it's that simple. So let's see if I can be smarter about it. There we go. So very easy, very, very easy. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do the one that I'm going to use the most. And once again, as with this one, you can see the Eco Shock here. So it just, that's where that Eco Shock is in these corners. So once again, that's just going to really help with that drop protection. When you do, hopefully not, but when you do drop it, it will protect it. So there is the top, super easy. And then once again, guys, the trick is to kind of lead in with it. Now it's in, and now that's it. Should be able to just kind of pop it on. Voila, easy peasy. So there it is, looks good. I like the kind of grain, semi-transparent look because one, there is no fingerprint issues. So literally no smudging, no issues like that at all. So that is fantastic. And then when you go to open it, looks really good. Looks really, really good. So really impressed so far with this. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So this, once again, is the magnetic privacy screen protector. It does say scratch resistant, anti-fingerprint, two-way landscape privacy, easy install, removable and reusable, ultra thin glass. And then here you can see what it talks about, all that same stuff again, and then a really good picture once again of the actual kind of look of it. But with it being a privacy one, I'm imagining it's probably going to be tinted. Here per instructions, it says step 1, remove liner on the pre-installed double-sided tape. And then step 2, place the screen protector from the bottom to the top. And then step 3, gently press to make sure the adhesive tape is attached. And it says it's magnetic, so I'm assuming on the sides is where that magnetic part is. I guess it's glass, but it's very, very floppy. It did come with some de-dusting stickers and a cleaning wipe and a little microfiber cloth, but let's just, it said start from the bottom. Oh, okay. Okay. There it goes. So as you can see here, hopefully it shows up. That's super cool. That's actually really easy to install. It's got that perfect little cutout there for the notch up at the top. Let's see, can leave it on, take it off. Let's see, we open and close it, stays on very easily. Let me put in my password real quick. All right, so it is a privacy tinted screen protector. So you will need to increase the brightness if you want, you know, that bright screen experience that we've come to know and love with our MacBooks. But at the end of the day, soon as I look on the side here, it is black. Like it is completely blacked out. And then once I'm back in front of it, I can see it. So if you're doing like any kind of editing or anything just that's personal to you, like at Starbucks or something like that, this is a nice little addition because not only is it protecting your screen from scratches and whatnot, it's also allowing you that privacy, and it's super easy. So that's about it. So if you are interested in the Ultra Impact case for your MacBook, they do make it for pretty much all of the MacBooks. So the MacBook Pro, 14-inch, the 16-inch, MacBook Airs, you name it. And they also have some really cool cases and screen protectors for iPads. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPad, so I couldn't review that for you. But all in all, guys, I mean, for what it is, it's very, very, very nice. So I highly recommend following that link. Like I said, it's CASETiFY.com/Roy Flores. Get 15% off. Check out all of their cases. Check out the customizations that you can do and their different collaborations that they also do with other types of like brands and stuff like that, if you're interested. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.